Web3 TV.
Binance is paying $283 million in compensation to cover losses, but USA and China reopens negotiations after tensions escalated. What does this all mean for you? We're here to break it down. I'm Adel Burton, and you're watching a live segment of Crypto TV from the Future Blockchain Summit in Dubai. Binance is compensating users after a severe token crash impacted Wrap Beacon ETH, Binance staked Sol, and Ethena's USDE. The exchange confirmed it has paid $283 million to cover losses caused during last Friday's DPEGs. This massive payout is part of Binance's commitment to review claims on a case-by-case basis and make users who were harmed whole. Co-founder Yi He issued a public apology, acknowledging that infrastructure strain contributed to the price failures that drove WBETH as low as $430. Moving forward, Binance will adopt conversion ratio pricing for wrapped assets to prevent similar issues. If even the largest exchange can crack under stress, can centralized platforms truly guarantee security in a crisis? Before we head to our next story, let's take a look at the crypto markets. Over to you, Krista.
Thanks, Adele. Aren't you looking so irresistible today? Welcome to your weekly crypto bubbles forecast, where the bubbles rise, the charts flirt, and the market keeps us all breathless. This week's hot highs, Dash turned up the heat with a blazing 53.8%. Bit and Soar kept things steamy at 42.6%, while Mantle glowed up with a smooth 36.7%. These tokens are the real charmers, steady, confident, and dripping with bullish energy. But not everyone could handle the pressure. Meme Core cooled off at 6.6%, XDC slipped 1.5%, and Fast Token dropped 1.1%. The spark faded so fast, leaving a little frost on the charts. That wraps up your weekly seduction, highs that heat you up and lows that keep you humble. For the most alluring view, slide into the weekly time frame, refresh your tickers every Monday, and let the market tease you all week long. This is a special segment coming live to you from the Future Blockchain Summit in Dubai. Until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and always bubble watch with style. I'm Krista 2 Moons, back to you, Adele.
The United States and China have softened their trade rhetoric, sparking a wave of optimism across global markets. Both sides released statements signaling a willingness to reopen negotiations after months of escalating tensions. China's Ministry of Commerce said it is ready to strengthen dialogue and may even consider license exemptions in its rare earth export policy. President Trump responded saying he wants to help China, not hurt it, marking a clear shift in tone from last week's 100% tariff threats. Analysts expect the move could ease fears of a global slowdown and revive risk assets, including crypto. If Washington and Beijing truly de-escalate, will this be the rebound moment global markets have been waiting for? Only time will tell. So, Krista, what's your take on China and the USA reopening negotiations after rising tensions?
Well, Adele, quite frankly, all this yo-yoing is getting quite tiring. One day we're blowing hot, one day we're blowing cold.
It's certainly interesting to see the USA and China trying to mend relations after weeks and months of tension. But I would love to see optimism out of this and more innovation opportunities.
Well, Adele, at the end of the day, it's all about saving their asses. Saving their assets. Let's see what next week brings.
Only time will tell.
Only time will tell.
I'm Adel Burton,
I'm Krista 2 Moons.
and you're watching Crypto TV live from the Future Blockchain Summit in Dubai.
Web3 TV.